adventure, and imagination. The Mountain of Chocolate Dreams. On a beautiful sunny day in the magical land of Sweetville, our heroes, Emma, Max, and Leo, stood before the mysterious map of chocolate dreams. The map, covered with swirling rivers of chocolate and towering peaks of cocoa beans, held the promise of an adventure beyond their wildest imaginations. With excitement in their hearts, the friends ventured forth into the lush, sweet forest, the soft rustling of leaves underfoot, accompanied by the distant calls of exotic birds. Max, ever the leader, led the group through twisting vines and up steep hills, determined to uncover the secrets of the chocolate mountains. As they climbed higher and higher, the terrain became more challenging, with twisted vines and steep cliffs to navigate. At one point, the group had to cross a licorice rope bridge, stretching precariously over a flowing river of molten chocolate. Emma's eyes widened in fear as the rope swayed beneath her feet. Finally reaching the base of the mountain, the friends discovered a hidden cave adorned with mysterious glowing cocoa pods. Leo, fascinated by the strange lights, reached out to touch one, only for it to emit a brilliant flash of light, illuminating the dark space. Upon entering the cavern, they noticed a small, seemingly ordinary door half hidden in the shadows. With trembling hands, Leo opened the door to reveal a grand golden staircase leading upwards into the mountain itself. Max, ever eager to explore, immediately began their ascent. As they climbed higher and higher, the friends found themselves in a room filled with towering cocoa plants of every color imaginable. Strange machinery whirred softly in the background as the friends marveled at their discovery. Continuing their exploration, the friends stumbled upon a room filled with chocolate treats of every shape and flavor imaginable, from enormous marshmallows to intricately designed pralines. Max, ever the optimist, declared that they had found the ultimate candy paradise. In the center of the room, they found an enormous control panel with glowing buttons and levers. Emma, with her keen mind, realized that this might be the key to understanding how the chocolate factory functioned. With a deep breath, Emma cautiously pushed a glowing button on the control panel. Suddenly, waves of chocolate treats poured out from every corner of the factory, filling the air with the sweet aroma of cocoa. As they stood back in awe of their creation, they noticed that the factory had begun to malfunction, with machines whirring uncontrollably and chocolate flowing everywhere. Leo looked worried as he realized that they were trapped inside the factory. With quick thinking and teamwork, they managed to shut down the machines, halt the excess production of chocolate, and safely navigate through the now congested factory. As they stepped out of the factory and into the sunlight, Emma, Max, and Leo stood triumphantly, exhausted but exhilarated by their adventure. They looked down upon the beautiful land of Sweetville, knowing that they had unlocked its greatest secret, the wondrous mountain of chocolate dreams.